Hi guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Welcome to another video. Today, I am going to be starting a second actual sample of my sand dollar polo. Here it is. I am hosting a crochet along for it, and it is going to be done striped. Not striped like this, equally striped. And I am going to have prizes for this crochet along. I got sent a bunch of stuff from Licca, and I got another set of the copper cyper needles. I already own a set, so I'm like, oh my gosh, I can give this away to people who don't have it and want some of their own. I will also be giving 5 skeins in that bundle. So there will be a first prize and a second prize. The first prize will be the Licca needles with 5 skeins of yarn that I got from Tony and Hugh Loco, their collaboration together. I have the other 5 skeins because I'll be creating a project with that. But the other 5 skeins, I don't really have anything that I plan to do with it. So I'm like, it can be part of the first prize. The second prize is another thing that I got from Licca, and it is a little spindle kind of thing where you put your yarn on it. Let's say you have this yarn. You can put your yarn on it and you can pull from the outside so that you don't have to have it flopping around everywhere. And then also some yarn that they sent me. It is 6 skeins of this nice chunky yarn. My sister's cat is crying right now. Those will be the prizes. I may think of some other prizes as well. I want to add in this video that I will also be including crochet hooks in the prizes. I have a bunch of Furls crochet hooks, and I do want to give some of those away because I have a lot of the same size back when I was going crazy with the Furls hooks. So I will be including some Furls crochet resin hooks in these prizes. Some people may wonder, why are you giving away knitting needles to crocheters? Well, some people who crochet also knit, and some people who crochet want to learn how to knit, but they don't have needles yet. So maybe these needles will help jumpstart someone into their knitting journey, or maybe it will give someone who does knit some more tools in their arsenal. Okay, I know for sure now that I will have more than 2 prizes now that I have gone through some of the things that I have, some of the things that I'll be receiving, and I know for sure that there may be 3+, maybe up to like 5 different prizes for 5 different people. We will see. And let's continue on with this video. The crochet along will start on July 20th and it will go on till September 20th. So 2 months for everyone to be able to crochet their own version of this. The hashtag for Instagram so that you can share your project so that I can see it and you can enter to win these prizes. It will be hashtag #SandDollarPoloCal, C-A-L. And that way, when I go to that hashtag, you guys will be able to enter there. Any picture of this project will count, even if you just started it. If you haven't finished it, it is totally fine. You will still be entered to win the prizes that I have here. And also remember, there may be more than just, I was gonna say 3. There may be more than just 2 prizes. The pattern is the Sand Dollar Polo by me, Callie's Threads. It is available on Ravelry, so you'll be able to click the link down below, straight to the pattern, get it for yourself, and be able to start this crochet along with me and everyone else who said they wanted to start the crochet along. When you guys do your own, you can use whatever yarn combo, whatever hook combo that goes with it. You don't have to use what I'm using because it is made to measure. So anybody can make any size they want. You can make one for a baby using the pattern. You can make one for any adult size using the pattern. I wanted to announce that so that you guys could be able to get your pattern, be able to get your yarn, and be able to join the crochet along with me. I am so excited. I will be choosing the prizes from Instagram because that's really the only way I can really track and see who is actually crocheting along with me. If you don't have Instagram, unfortunately, you will not be able to enter, but it's okay because I'll be doing other things for YouTube itself when it comes to prizes, so don't worry, you are not left out. It's just an Instagram thing for now, okay? Anyway, that is all that I have to tell you guys for now. I will be starting this on July 20th. I won't be starting it before you guys so that we can all start at the same time, okay? There is no rush. We have 2 months to get through it, which is perfect for me because I have other things that I want to do in between. I'll probably put this down, do something else, pick it back up. All that to say, crochet along starting July 20th, ending September 20th. go ahead and get your pattern down below in the description. Let me know if you've already gotten it and if you will be joining us. If you've already made one, I would really love to know, because that is so amazing. People have been tagging me on TikTok with them starting their projects and them loving the pattern. I'm just like, yes! It's so amazing seeing all the different colors. I've seen a black one. I'm like, oh, I didn't think about black. I've seen one that's like a darker blue than this, and I'm like, oh, I need a blue one. I'm so happy that my sister, Malika, Mr. Bobbin, had this yarn. Listen, she's not really doing a lot of fiber arts now that she is sewing. She's still crocheting and knitting on the side, but not fully, so she gave me this yarn, and now I'm able to make a second sample. Oh, I can't wait. But yeah, July 20th to September 20th, the pattern is down below. It is on Ravelry, Sand Dollar Polo by Callie's Threads, and I will see you guys on July 20th when we start this cal. Okay?